Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to reset all settings on iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to settings and after that go to the general, and after that scroll down until you find transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it, and as you can see there is an option called reset. You have just to click on it, and here you can choose what you want to reset exactly. If you want to reset all settings or only network settings or keyboard dictionary or handwriting style or home screen layout or location and privacy. So you have to choose whatever thing you want to reset, and after that you can enter your passcode and your phone will be reset. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.